Hey guys, Shannon Stute down at St.Albert Dodge. Excited to bring you this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan to the internet so that you can check it out from home. Obviously, the best thing you could do is come in and find out everything that there is to know about this vehicle in person. But it's got a very low kilometer amount for the year, and also has the power options on the key fob. So you just go ahead and click that twice. You're going to open up the middle row. Come on with me here. I'll show you a few things just on the inside. The first and foremost is it does have the middle row stow and go. I'll show that off for you. So as you just go ahead and push the driver's seat all the way to the front, same thing on the passenger. You want to just make sure that you have as much room for yourself as possible to do the maneuvering here, but it's very straightforward and easy. Just pull from the floor here. This framework allows this opening floor to kind of stay up there for you and allow you to do this. So just one pull of the handle sets the seat in a somersault motion. All you do is just push it down, push the floor back down, clips in. So there you go. That's the middle stow and go. You can do that to the left side, the right side, and as well as the rear. So let's go ahead and show you the back of the vehicle now. Just two presses of the tailgate release on the key fobs, opening this up for us. You might not notice, but this is kind of a little bit of a basin here, so you can get your stroller down in there or load things up, and it allows for quite a bit of room, probably the most cubic square footage in its class. So come on down to St.Albert Dodge. I can show you how this thing drives, how this Grand Caravan will suit you and your family or whatever purpose you're looking to help out with. But let's go ahead and check out a few more things on the inside. Hi guys, Shannon Stute sitting in the front seat of this beautiful Dodge Grand Caravan. As I mentioned, for a 2019, it has very low kilometers, just 12,209. It has the ability to heat your seats, and has some other features that I'd love to have you come down and see. One that you might not have seen in a long time, which is, let me just plug the key fob in here, a CD player. So just pressing this button here is going to open up the touchscreen, allowing you to get back into the DVD portion of this vehicle. Now, a couple other things to talk about with this one is the fact that it does have the 3-door programmable garage door opener. And then I'll show you one other thing just here. It's got, you can't really see it from the daytime, but it's got an luminescent kind of glow. It's a blue stripping lighting that they put up here. Just adds another kind of feature to this beautiful Caravan that might have you come down and be interested. So once again, Shannon Stute at St.Albert Dodge, showing off this beautiful Dodge Grand Caravan. I'd love to have you in for a test drive. Thanks for joining me.